फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
The debate for the Indian head coach position was going on for a long time और एक नाम जो पिछले काफी टाइम से उभर कर आ रहा था वो था गौतम गंभीर का। अब वो स्पेकुलेशंस में, रिपोर्ट्स में गौतम गंभीर का नाम आ रहा था। There were visuals of him chatting with BCCI Secretary Jay Shah after his team KKR won the third trophy in IPL 2024, लेकिन ऑफिशियल कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं आई थी। अभी तक भी कोई ऑफिशियल कंफर्मेशन नहीं आई है। There's still almost a month to go for the new head coach to take over the job because T20 World Cup के end तक राहुल द्रविड़ will be the India's head coach, लेकिन वो वर्ल्ड कप खत्म होते ही India's new head coach will take over and the Zimbabwe tour will be the first assignment for the new head coach. अब इसमें काफी नाम आ रहे थे शुरू में, लेकिन सब नाम फिल्टर होके गौतम गंभीर का एक ऐसा नाम था जो उभर के सामने आया। अभी तक कोई खबर, कोई ऑफिशियल वो नहीं, लेकिन गौतम गंभीर हैज फाइनली talked about the head coach position, the India's head coach position, and in an event recently he said, I have not answered this question, although a lot of people have asked me, but I have to answer you now. I would love to coach the Indian team. There is no bigger honor than coaching your national team. You are representing 140 crore Indians and those across the globe as well. Now, if this is an indication, I think it's pretty clear that he is ready to take up this job. Although कोई इन्होंने officially कहा नहीं है कि I am taking up this job or I am really honored that I am doing this. He said I'll be really honored to do this job, which is sort of an indirect indication that he has said yes to being India's head coach. There's no official confirmation as of now. BCCI will most probably midway through June or towards the last week of June, they will announce Gautam Gambhir as the new head coach. And if the reports are to be believed and if this statement is to be believed, he is indeed India's next head coach. फिर भी हमें official confirmation का obviously we'll have to wait. Now there are a lot of factors in him becoming the Indian head coach. Number one being he is KKR's mentor. वो KKR में इतने साल बाद अभी वापस आए एज ए मेंटर, आते ही उन्होंने ट्रॉफी जिताई. Would KKR be happy to let go of Gautam Gambhir? Because if you become India's head coach, you can't be a mentor or a head coach in any IPL team to see. So he'll have to leave that job because you are working 9 to 10 months in a year every year, or which is a big task, and then to come back into the IPL, it will be a very difficult thing for any coach for that matter, not just Gautam Gambhir. And India's head coach, being India's head coach, as we all know, it's a tough task. You are always on the road, you are always thinking, you are always occupied, you don't even get enough family time. So there were a lot of speculations if Gautam Gambhir is ready to let go of all the things of his family time. He has a very young family, of the KKR mentorship, which he did wonders with in the first season that he returned, KKR winning their third trophy. In the first two trophies, he was the captain. In the third trophy, he was rather the mentor of the team. So all in all, a good news for the Indian fans if he is to become the head coach, because he is someone who often gives you results, and even in an interview recently he said he hates losing. उनको हारना नहीं पसंद बिल्कुल भी. So as an Indian head coach, it is a great mentality to have. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see. Whoever becomes the next head coach will be there till the 2027 season. 3 more years from here on, and again we'll have to wait for the official confirmation. But if this quote that's on your screen right now, it is to be believed, Gautam Gambhir has said that he would love to coach the Indian team, and he says that there's no bigger honor than coaching your national team. You are representing 140 crore Indians and those across the globe as well. Again, as I would say, as soon as the official confirmation comes, you'll see it first on the Cricket Next YouTube channel. So do subscribe to our Cricket Next YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, follow us across all our social media platforms. ऐसे ही आपके लिए updates लाते रहेंगे, ऐसे ही news लाते रहेंगे, lives लाते रहेंगे, discussions लाते रहेंगे about the World Cup and everything and anything related to world cricket. Thank you.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट